Alright, listen up. Hold on.
Shh. You hear it?
Yeah. I'm not sure if that's the one. Oh, wait. Okay. Alright, you guys look here. I'm going to go up to the next one.
Call Craig. Let me call Craig and see if he can see us.
Oh, right over here.
You see it?
Huh?
You see it?
Hold on. This is the one you can see, Mike. Mike,
Yeah.
that's the sand trap you can see from the hill.
You got it? What do you mean you got it? We're on the golf course. Craig, Todd, he's got it.
Who's got it?
Craig's got it. Do you have it really? Seriously, dude?
Really?
Okay, they're on the road. Come on, let's go. Gee, this is where it came from, way up there.